Hello students. So in the last few classes we have seen reproduction in microorganisms and in plant. In today's class we will see reproduction in animals. So again in animals it can be of two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So first we will study about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it is limited to unicellular organism and it occurs by a process called as fission. It can be binary fission or multiple fission. So what is fission? A process in which parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. So during fission the parent cell it will divide to produce two or more daughter cells, and since this is asexual reproduction, the offsprings that are produced, they are identicals. So two identical cells are produced after binary fission. And what are the examples? So this type of reproduction is seen in protozoa like amoeba and paramecium. So amoeba and paramecium, they do binary fission. Next is multiple fission. In multiple fission, repeated division of parent nucleus is followed by division into many daughter cells. So in multiple fission, multiple repeated division will occur, multiple division will occur. So the division of the parent nucleus, it occurs, which is followed by the division into to produce many daughter cells. So here instead of two, many daughter cells are produced in multiple fission. The stage undergoing multiple fission is called schizont. So this stage which undergo multiple fission, it is called as schizont, and the splitting process is schizogony. So this process is the schizogony. And what will be the example of multiple fission? Multiple fission is seen in case of Plasmodium. I'll show you the diagram. See the first one, this is binary fission, which was seen in amoeba and paramecium. So this was our parent cell, this is the parent cell. At first the nucleus divides, that is karyokinosis. The nucleus gets divided. In the next step, cytoplasm is divided, so cytokinosis takes place. So once the cytoplasm is divided, we will get two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells are identical to the parent cell. So in binary fission, binary means two, right? So in binary fission, we will get two daughter cells from a single parent. Another example was multiple fission that was seen in Plasmodium. So what happens? This cell, the nucleus, it will produce many daughter cells. So it will undergo repeated division and it will produce many daughter cells. Can you see here? So it is producing many daughter cells, and this is known as this schizont, and the process was schizogamy. So after many daughter cells are produced, these are then released. The daughter cells are then released. So here you need to remember the organism which is going multiple fission and binary fission, and the little bit the process also, like here we will getting two daughter cells and here we are getting many daughter cells. And this schizont is taking place in multiple fission and the process is schizogony.